What is up everyone, this is Karan here and welcome back again to TechKaran YouTube channel. The Razer mode which was available for Redmi Note 5 Pro, Redmi Note 6 Pro, Redmi Note 7 and Redmi Note 8, and for Redmi Note 8 I am the maintainer, and now I'm back with another Razer mode which is MIUI 12.3 by Razer Team 12.0.2, and this one is for MIUI tool devices, which means Redmi Note 9 Pro, Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, Poco M2 Pro and Redmi Note 9s, all the devices. If you have any of these devices you can install this build. I'm going to show you the installation and review of this build, not a full review because I already have a video on this Razer mode. So if you haven't checked it out, make sure to check that, and then you'll be able to download, and if you need that you can simply download that. You can see Cortana maintainer TechKaran. This one is a vendor issue. You need to install vendor, so that's why this is the vendor credits to Sudeep. And this one is the ROM maintainer, Cortana maintainer TechKaran. I'm the maintainer of this build. We're gonna take a look at the things, features and a lot more things in this video. Stay tuned, make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's get started. Guys, this one is the latest MIUI 12.3 by Razer Team 12.0.2 stable version, which is based on Android version 10. It's not Android version 11. This is a MIUI tool build which is available, which is based on Android version 10. So just don't think about Android version 11 yet. We're gonna take a look at Android 11 version very soon of this Razer mode build. The things which you get here: the Razer wallpaper, the Razer dynamic gaming wallpapers. Also, let me show the gaming wallpapers which I'm talking about. Going to wallpaper section, if you go for the system wallpapers, these are the gamer dynamic wallpapers which we have pre-installed. 3 system dynamic wallpapers. Other wallpapers includes the Razer AMOLED 6, Razer AMOLED wallpapers and Razer Green 6 wallpapers. All the wallpapers are available. I have a full video on these kind of things. If you want to check it out, I'll put a link in the I button, or also you can check out in the description. You'll find the video easily, which I already shown you the things which you get in Razer mode. We are just gonna take a look at some brief things about this build. Also includes the latest new volume panel, which might look like good. It comes with a Chinese theme store. If you go for the My Account and go to the font section, we also have some fonts pre-installed: Core Mellow, Google Sans, Digital Sans Now, and some these kind of fonts are pre-installed. I've applied this Proxima soft fonts which are looking really great. You can apply any other fonts from here and you don't need any kind of reboot for that. For example, if you want to click here, if you click on apply, the fonts will be applied successfully without even rebooting your device. You'll be able to apply these fonts. As you can see, the fonts are now successfully applied like this, and we didn't rebooted our device. Also, if you're using my status bar, we have the Wi-Fi calling icon option is available here, which means Wi-Fi calling is perfectly fine here, so no issues in my case in the terms of Wi-Fi calling. Everything seems to be working here. It's based on the stable version, didn't got any major bugs till now. The wallpaper seems to be normal here. You can simply go to the theme store and go to the wallpaper section. You can apply the wallpapers from here if you need them, or also you can simply head on to your settings. Let me show you by going into wallpaper section, and you can apply these live wallpapers. For example, this one, the wallpaper which I liked so much, so just click this one and you'll see this kind of wallpaper, which I have a video on these kind of things. Make sure to check it out. And this was the information about this port, and if you want to try it out, how to install this build, it's quite easy to install by the way, but some guys are having issues. Let me show you the files which you need. In my case, I'm using Cortana Redmi Note 9 Pro here. And if you're using any other device like Joyuse or GRAM or Excalibur, any other device, then you need different vendor. This one is the file MIUI Razer v12.0.2.0 v10.zip. This is the major file you need. And second one, you need this vendor. And in my case, as I previously told you, I'm using Cortana, so I need this vendor. I am using this vendor. You can use any other vendor also. I have a link for that is in the description. Make sure to check it out, that one. How to install this? It's quite easy, and just open your custom recovery. First of all, in my case, I have the extended power menu option available. This boot into custom recovery. In my case, I'm using Orange Fox custom recovery. I will prefer you to use the Orange Fox custom recovery because that's advanced and it is working perfectly fine with installation of these kind of ports. But if you want to use any other recovery, you can give it a try. I'm not sure about that. So just boot into custom recovery once. As you can see, it will take some time to boot into custom recovery. So let me wait for the custom recovery to open first, and then we're gonna install this build on our device, and I'm gonna share with you by installing and booting this build. So I'm not gonna skip any part of the video. Stay tuned and watch this video. As you can see, Orange Fox custom recovery is now booted. So just let me wait. As you can see, we have this option. First of all, as you previously know, Dalvik cache data. Just swipe all these partitions, swipe to wipe. In my case, I'm using Orange for custom recovery, as I previously told you. Just go to do your location, and I have this MIUI Razer v12.0.2.0. Swipe to install. You'll see MIUI Razer ROM MIUI 12.x mode by TechKaran, and it will take some time to install. Don't worry about that. First of all, it will flash the product partition. After some time, it will flash the system partition, and then you need to flash the vendor. Vendor is the most important part. If you don't flash vendor, your phone will not boot at all. So just think about the vendor, find the vendor for your device. I'll put a link in the description for all the vendors you need to download according to your device. If your device is Cortana, download for Cortana. If you're using JoyUse, download for JoyUse. It depends upon which device you use. It is a dynamic partition device, so yes, we need, this is a little bit of complicated, and also unified partition. This is a unified device, so yes, Redmi Note 9 Pro, Redmi Note 9s, and some code names. Little bit of complicated process, but not for everyone. You can download very easily without any major issues. So as you can see, it's just taking a little bit of time. Let me fast forward this, or let me just wait for it to happen. I don't think so that will take much time from now on, and it's almost done. So guys, as you can see, almost everything seems to be done here. Done flash vendor now. As you can see, it's written here, done flash vendor now. So now what we need to do is we need to flash the vendor, and as I previously told you, in my case I have this vendor Cortana 199 MIUI 12.zip. I'm gonna install this vendor, so just click on swipe to install. It will show you MIUI port vendor for Cortana by Sudeep Duhan. So it will take some time to install the vendor. Let's wait for the installation of this vendor. So as you can see, it's done. Everything seems to be done, and after that what you need to do is, in my case I'm encrypted, so what I will do is I'll just go here and format data YES. Sorry for this, YES. As you can see, we need to type YES, click on OK. This is the process for all encrypted users. If you're encrypted, I will recommend you to format data, because that will work. And after that, just click on reboot system. It will not boot into fast boot. It will not something like that it is not working, and like that it will work. Definitely it will work. And still, if in case it is not working for you, if you're getting any kind of errors, what you can do is you can install the DFE, which is a disable force encryption, and second thing is you can simply flash permissive. As you can see, it's now booting. This is the process which I followed. This is the process for all the Cortana users, and for other users like JoyUse and Excalibur, GRAM, you can download and install this build like this. You just need to use the vendor for your device according to your device, but nothing else is different. Everything seems to be same. You can install it directly. This is all from today's video. I hope you like this. If you like this, don't forget to like and share this video. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe me. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.